All right, so we have this srt4 project that we just started. We did get some parts in, just real quick. If you didn't catch the last one, we did have a lot of issues, but this is already equipped with a big turbo. It has a modern performance head. I'm not sure if it even has anything for a fuel system. So it had a stock rail on it. I didn't even look at the injectors because they're on an intake in the trunk because this thing was in pieces when we got it. So we're tearing everything apart. We did make a list of stuff that we needed, and one of those items did include a fuel system. So we got a hold of our good friend over here. Let me show you. I can show you some of his posts here. All right, so basically what we got is, if I say this right, Juan Jr. Ramirez. This is some of the stuff that he does offer. We have, there's like fuel pump plug and play kits, makes the fuel systems right here. He has coils, ignition coils. He makes a bunch of these, which I really want to get one of these and do a video on it. We have some engine harnesses, complete engine harnesses. He does custom them out a little bit and add other things. Let me see here. Plug and play harness. Well, I made a plug and play harness for an AM gauge, which I didn't see that before. Here's some of the stuff. Here's some more battery relocation kits. He just offers a bunch of different things. There's other posts on here on Facebook that show some of the stuff from some of the other customers that have purchased some stuff. Let's just go onto his page. So if you're looking for him, his page will come up like this on Facebook. All right, so what we have is we made an order for a fuel system. Let's check this thing out. I'm gonna try to get this camera set up so that you can see the fuel system. You don't have to worry about seeing me. All right, so we got nicely packed. All right, so we have one of the lines. It's marked feed. These are fit on here very nicely. This is a -6 line. What I like the most about this is it's actually like a braided steel line. It's not like a coated PTF line, PTEF line. All right, so we have that. More bubble wrap. We got the plug and play fuel line kit. Here is our return line, -6 return line. Okay. I'm a real fan of the Aeroflow stuff. This stuff is very nice, liquid filled. It's actually pretty small, which I like. Comes with the new seal. A smaller filter. There's our pickup. There's the feed line from the pump. This goes to the regulator. I really do. Here's how the regulator's packed. I really do like these regulators. They are very small. I have this same system. Basically the same materials were made to build the system in my car. You can mount it with the bracket, but I'm going to be taking this off. I'm not sure where I'm going to mount the gauge, but we're going to cover that here in a moment. We got all of the fittings for our fuel pump and setup to be hooked to a boomer rail. All right, so we have the 450 pump. Nice big mat on it. Look, you can see everything's just nicely assembled. I'll have to double check and see which one of these is the feed and the return. But this is actually put together very nicely. Set this here. It comes with, here's the instructions. I believe this is for the regulator. Performance fuel regulator. Nice little sticker comes with it. What other paperwork do we have here? It's just a little book. This comes with it. There you go. Boost reference. So pressure adjustment, inlet port, outlet port. All right. So if you're running, you can run a sensor off of this side if you want to, and then your fuel line will come in, fuel rail will be on this side, depending on how you want to set this thing up. And then your return will come out the bottom, which we'll go over that when we do the install. We also got one of the nice little magnetic drain plugs for this engine, and we picked up a nice new coil. So we have all that stuff ready for install. Now I'm going to be, this is something that would have to be purchased separate. When we ordered the kit, basically we explained what we want. We just want -6 and 450. This isn't going to be a super high horsepower, but this is going to give us plenty of fuel for what we need. We got a hold of, I think this came, usually you can get these through M8 Performance, or a lot of times you can find these on eBay. At the current time, they only had red and blue available. Black would have looked nice, and so would have had the, I guess the rough or the polished aluminum. So we're going to be mounting this right here like this. And we'll probably put our gauge right here on our rail. So we have everything here for our fuel system. I just kind of wanted to do a complete unboxing of this stuff so that everything could be seen. So you can check everything out here. Going to be a very nice setup. I will go through and make a separate video doing the install of everything, how to do an install. I use this special Teflon tape to go on here that's fuel resistant for mounting them. Any of these fittings here, they are just tightened to fit. Any of the ones with the O-ring on, you want to put a little grease on that O-ring when you go to seat them down. So they'll be connected here. Different parts of this will be removed. But this is our feed, our return, our filter, our coil, and everything we're going to need to get this thing up and running. But with that being said, this guy did a great job with this fuel system. We are looking to get some more stuff. I already did install some of these. I believe I did a watt box install already. And like I said, I'm really looking forward to try to get one of the engine harnesses for my personal car. But that's down the road. I've got lots of stuff I got to do with this and some other projects that I'm working on. But thank you very much, man, for getting this thing sent out. Well packed, just as described.